Hello, this is Trent Smith with the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, doing the planning briefing for Sunday, June 25th. Looking at the weather threat matrix, most days throughout this week we are looking at some shower and thunderstorm activity, especially during the afternoon, evening hours. We're just under a pretty active weather pattern for at least the coming work week, with probably some improvement by the end of the week into the weekend. So kind of just looking at satellite, just kind of position yourself. So there is a low pressure system that's kind of over the western United States. The center of it's kind of over Nevada, southern Idaho. That's what's going to be causing most of the weather for the following days. There does appear to be kind of a ridge that might be coming into play this weekend, followed by another system that's currently off the Gulf of Alaska that might be moving into early next week. So just kind of give a quick rundown on the shower and thunderstorm activity that we're anticipating for the next 48 hours. This is just one model's depiction on how it will be coming through. This model seems to be handling the situation fairly well. So I'm just going to let this run through just a couple of times. Again, this starts at about 6 p.m. Saturday and then goes all the way through into the Monday time frame. So I'll just let this run through. Well, actually, looking at this, it appears that it starts at 6 a.m. Sunday and goes into early Tuesday morning time frame. And again, just kind of going through how we think the showers and thunderstorms will be impacting the Northern Rockies over the next 48 hours. So again, we are looking at temperatures kind of being below normal for the next couple of days, or just slightly below normal. But we are picking up on that temperature trending warmer for Friday into the Saturday, Sunday time frame. These are just some select points across the Northern Rockies, just to kind of show you the temperature trend at Butte, Dillon, Ennis, Grangeville, Hamilton, Kalispell, Libby, Missoula, and Orofino. And again, those lower elevations of north central Idaho are definitely going to have the hottest temperatures, with Orofino potentially being in the upper 90s by Saturday, Sunday time frame. This is just kind of the wind gusts or max wind gusts in a 6-hour period through the remainder of the week. It's really kind of that Dillon, Ennis that's anticipated to get some gusty winds late this afternoon into Monday time frame. Beyond that, I think it's going to be a relatively lighter, just due to that ridge of high pressure that's going to be starting to build in by the end of the week. As for precipitation amounts, this is for the next 3 days. As you can see, north central Idaho into southwest Montana. This is going to be getting the bulk of the precipitation just due to those showers and thunderstorms. I think the heaviest precipitation is going to be kind of today and then on Monday, and then kind of tapering off on the Tuesday. But there is still some shower potential for northwest Montana, but it doesn't appear to be as intense as what north central Idaho, Lemhi, and southwest Montana will be receiving over the next couple of days. As for the probability of lightning, this is for Sunday evening, really highlighting that southwest Montana, Lemhi area with a over 60% chance of a lightning strike around that Butte and Dillon area. And then come Monday afternoon, we are still looking at lightning potential, a little bit less in intensity or at least in coverage, but still looking at about a 50% chance in southwest Montana. As for the 6 to 10 day outlook, right now we're kind of dealing with the transition of that trough of low pressure and a ridge of high pressure that's going to be kind of right over the area. So kind of near normal or potential for near normal precipitation for northwest Montana with a little bit below or above normal for that southwest Montana. And then for temperature wise, we'll start getting a little bit more influence from that ridge, causing our temperatures to actually be above normal. As you can see, that low pressure system's kind of sitting right over Wyoming, Colorado, Nebraska. That'll be bringing the precipitation. As for the drought situation across the Northern Rockies, we are still looking at the majority of the area being in some sort of drought to abnormally dry, especially across northwest Montana, where there hasn't been as much precipitation in the last several months. So that's all that I have for today. Our next briefing will be on Thursday, June 29th, but if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call on the number or check us at our website. Thank you. Goodbye.